Hi, guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to promote affiliate links on YouTube. For this purpose, you must have a YouTube channel. You can create a new one if you don't already have one. If you do not know how to make a YouTube channel, it's very easy and so simple. Log into YouTube with your Google account and simply assign a name to your YouTube channel. After creating a YouTube channel, you need to upload content according to your niche or content that better relates to your affiliate program. I have also listed the 5 best niches for the affiliate program. Number 1, lifestyle. Number 2, finance. Number 3, tech. Number 4, cooking. Number 5, crypto or NFT. And with the help of this content, we will promote our affiliate links. You can record yourself for this purpose, or you can make faceless videos. In this video, I will show you 2 easy methods of creating content for your YouTube channel. Method number 1. Uploading shorts. For this purpose, you have to open TikTok or any other short video app to get short videos to upload your content. Simply download and upload on your channel. Method number 2. Download videos from free stock videos providing website. And download copyright-free music, edit, and upload. Before we learn how to promote affiliate links, we should know why it is important to promote links on YouTube. This benefits us in many ways, but majors are huge income potential, long-lasting results, control over offers. After the setup of the YouTube channel, you need to get affiliate links. For this purpose, you can join an Amazon affiliate program, or Partner Stack, or Digistore24. For this purpose, simply type in the search bar Amazon affiliate program and open the first link. Very simple and 3-step process. Sign up, recommend, earn, choose products according to your niche, make a review video of the product, or simply get your affiliate link. The Amazon Associates program helps content creators, publishers and bloggers monetize their traffic. With millions of products and programs available on Amazon, associates use easy link building tools to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. Amazon cover different kind of niches, like daily life products, lifestyle, tech, and much more. You can find your favorite one, simply click on the drop-down menu. You will find different kinds of products. Select your desired one. You can take pictures and videos of the product for your use. You can make a review video of the product. Copy the link of your desired product and make it available to your viewers. If you want to join Partner Stack, then simply visit the Partner Stack website. Scroll down and click Explore the Marketplace. Here you can see different amounts of referrals available: 10%, 20%, 50%, etc. You can also change niche from the left side. If you want to know more about the offer, just click on it. Here it is. To get a link, click and apply to the program. Simply sign up as an affiliate and grab the link of the product or service you want to promote. You can also join Digistore24. For this purpose, you first need to sign up by putting all your details. Once you create an account, here on the left side, you are able to select a specific category you are looking for. Find the product you want to promote and press Promote Now. After this, you are able to copy your affiliate link. After getting the link, you need to shorten this. For this purpose, you can use bit.ly.com. Simply paste your link and copy your shortened link. After doing this, you will return to your channel where you will promote your affiliate link. There are different methods for this purpose. Number 1. When you upload a video on your channel, you will notice a description box, which usually appears below your video. You will paste your affiliate link in the description box with a little bit of detail about your product or service. Number 2. You can also place your link in the YouTube cards. When the viewer opens the video, this link will appear in a corner. The one who wants to buy your product or service can easily click and able to visit that site on which you are working as an affiliate. Number 3. You can also give links to viewers by pinning your link in the comment box. So, that appears on the top in the comment box. Number 4. You are also able to use the community tab for this purpose. Also, inform viewers about your affiliate link. Now, when someone will visit your channel and click on your affiliate link, he will be redirected to the web where you are working as an affiliate. If he buys something, you will get a certain commission. How simple it is. If you have any questions, comment below. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching.